one there?
Yes, sir.
Hey! Hey! Hey, you been cheeky too? Kelo, your mommy's been a busy bee all day and you've had me tortured. Where's that? What even police car is that? That's an American police car, I think.
Shit.
Hey! You there!
Oh, shit.
What kind of talk's that? Do you hear him? F's sake. Hey! See you. Don't.
Shit.
Hey! Kelo! You better stop all this bad talk.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God! Kelo! That's ridiculous! You're going to anger management. I'm sending you the anger management. 100% anger management you're going to. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Yo, look at you. You wee git. You wee git. You. Look at him having a fight with me. I'll punch you. I'll punch you.
Chicken, right?
No, you're a cheeky.